Hi, in this video I'll show you how to install necessary packages for machine learning models, model building and deep learning model building. So first I'll show you how to install packages for machine learning and then we'll move on to deep learning dependencies. To install the packages, first of all, you have to install Anaconda Navigator. Once you've installed Anaconda Navigator, then you can open Anaconda Navigator. Search for Anaconda in your start bar. Open your Anaconda prompt and type pip install sklearn. So this is the package for building machine learning models. So if you see sklearn is installed, now let's install NumPy. Type pip install NumPy. So all these commands will install the new versions. So it says the requirement already satisfied. That means I have NumPy package already. If suppose you don't have the package, then the installation process will begin and it will take a few seconds to complete the installation. Once you install NumPy, then install Pandas. Pandas is the library which is used for data analysis to grab the insights. So if you see, my Pandas is already installed, so I got this as requirement already satisfied. Otherwise you will get the statement saying that successfully installed. Now let's install MATLAB. Pip install matplotlib. 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 So you can see your installation process starts, and at the end you'll find a statement saying successfully installed. In the same way, install Seaborn. So MATLAB and Seaborn are the packages which are used for visualizing your data. You can plot graphs and different visualizations with the help of Matplotlib and Seaborn. So with this, the dependencies of machine learning is completed. Now, if you want to check whether these are properly installed or not, then you can import them in the Python environment. If you don't get any error, that means the packages are properly installed. Let's see through the prompt interface. So to go to the Python interface, type Python. Your Python interpreter will be launched. Then type import NumPy. If you get an error, that means your package is not installed properly. So I didn't get an error. That means the NumPy package is successfully installed. And also check import Pandas. Should not get any error. Once this is done, import matplotlib. I didn't get any error. Import Seaborn. So you can see Seaborn is also installed. Now if you want to get out of this Python environment, you can type quit with parenthesis. Now let's install dependencies for deep learning algorithms. So here I would like to show you the installation of TensorFlow, Keras, and OpenCV. So let me go through the installation steps. Likewise, you have installed all the packages for machine learning. You can install all the packages for deep learning also. So let's install TensorFlow first. Pip install TensorFlow is equal to 1.14.0. So here I'm installing the TensorFlow version as 1.14.0. You can also install the newest version. Without if you want to install the newest version, then you can directly give pip install TensorFlow. So you can see I already have TensorFlow, so it says the requirement is satisfied. While you are installing the TensorFlow, then after some installation process is done, then you'll get a pop-up saying you to click yes. Click on yes, then you can see the installation process till the end. So at the end, you will have a statement saying that successfully installed. If suppose there are any errors while installing your TensorFlow, like you should have permissions kind of thing, then please open your Anaconda prompt as administrator. Right? Once you're done with the TensorFlow, then please install Keras. Pip install Keras is equal to 2.2.4. So the installation of TensorFlow and Keras sometimes take time. It could take about 10 to 15 minutes based on your processing speed. So my TensorFlow and Keras are installed. Now let's install OpenCV. In order to install OpenCV, just click pip install OpenCV-Python. So you can see you can see the installation process of OpenCV, and at the end you will have a statement saying that successfully installed. Once you have installed all these versions, if you want to all these packages, if you want to check the versions, you have to go to the Python environment. To do so, click on Python. Now click on import TensorFlow. So as I've installed the 1.14.0, I may get some warnings. So you can skip these warnings because it says some sort of functions which will be depreciated in the future versions. So you can see the TensorFlow is imported without any error. Now let's import Keras. You can see it got imported without any error. Now you can also import OpenCV. So to import OpenCV, you should not type it as OpenCV. You have to type it as CV2. Just click on enter, then it will be executed without any error. Now if you want to check any of the versions, then you have to check the version with the name that you have imported with. For example, I want to check the version of CV2, and you can see CV2 dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. You can see the CV2 version that has got installed is 4.2.0. In the same way, you can check for NumPy also. NumPy. So you didn't import NumPy, right? So first of all, you have to import NumPy, and can check NumPy version NumPy dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. So the NumPy version is 1.18.1. If you want to check the version of Keras, the same process, keras dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. You can see the Keras version is 2.2.4. So this is how you will be installing the dependencies of machine learning and deep learning. If you want to install any other modules, for example, if you want to install a Flask module or a Flask package, so the process is the same way. Let me install Flask also. So to get out of this environment, click on quit, type quit, and you'll get out of the Python environment. Now, if you want to install other modules of Python, you can directly use pip install. For example, if I want to install Flask, so I type pip install Flask. So basically, Flask is a module that helps you to build web applications using Python. That's a framework. So whichever the package that you want to install in Python, you make use of pip command. All right. So these are all the installations of the dependencies for Python. Thank you.